In this video, I'm going to show you how to handle login required checks in Adalo. Login required checks are used to verify whether a user is logged in before allowing them to perform certain actions, such as favoriting an item, placing an order, or creating a post. By default, Adalo does not block logged out users from accessing certain screens or triggering actions, so you need to build this logic yourself. This is especially useful in apps where users can browse content without logging in. In my example, I open the app preview and choose to continue without logging in. As you can see, I can still navigate through the app, and even when I go to the Favorites section, I am redirected there despite not being logged in. I want this feature to be available only to logged in users. To fix this, go to the place where the action is triggered. In my case, this is a navigation menu item that links to the Favorites screen. Select that menu item and open its action settings. Click on Show Advanced. Set the condition to Sometimes, and then define the login check. In the first drop-down, hover over Users and select All, which represents the list of all registered users. In the second drop-down, choose Contains, and in the third drop-down, select Logged In User. This condition ensures that the action only works if the logged-in user exists in the users list, which means the person is logged in. Next, you need to create a second action for users who are not logged in. Add another action and link it to the login screen or any page where you want to prompt users to log in. Open the advanced settings again, select Sometimes, and set the condition. In the first drop-down, choose Users, then All. In the second menu, select Does Not Contain, and finally select Logged In User. This tells Adalo to trigger this action only when the user is not logged in. After setting this up, preview the app again. When you continue without logging in and tap the Favorites option, you are redirected to the login screen. If you log in and repeat the same action, you are correctly taken to the Favorites screen and can see your saved items. Using this same logic, you can control access to any feature in your app based on login status. And this is how you can handle login required checks in Adalo.